Tell the chef hurry. Tell the chef, yeah. Tell the chef hurry.
Riverside.
Tell the chef hurry. Tell the chef, yeah. Tell the chef hurry.
Riverside.
Tell the chef hurry. Tell the chef, yeah. Tell the chef.
Yeah, people, bad chef.
Yeah, people, back again, innit? See it, yeah? Yeah, man. Here's a beef steak, this one left back. So this time we have brown stew it. Yeah, some brown stew beef steak with some white rice. I bad chef attack from your device. So watch your style, stay tuned. Yeah. Fire catch, pot hot. So I throw in the oil now. Oil gone in there. Like I see how we put the oil in there. Hot it hotter. So what you style, people? We drop 2 slices of butter in there, change up the thing. Some weight in there. See that chicken season. Sprinkle up on it. See where I change up the thing. Different style I did. You get me? Now look up. Pepper. Look where I chew up on it, you know? Change up the thing. Mix it down now. Mix it. Cover it up. Yeah, Irish. Put a piece of Irish in it, you know. I know something I put 2 little spinners in it too. Yeah. Nice it up. My bad chef attack.
Mommy, when I could find the money, pool with it, swear to God, we must buy a house with a pool in it. Chai, if you're not busy, give me a few minutes.
Make some spinners through in there, see people. About 3 or 4 or 5, you know? So I'm not going to enjoy any spinners, nothing serious. Yeah. Nice it up.
Oh, me out I eat is not a next man concern. Just no food I eat, yeah, next plan confirm. Oh, me out I eat is not a next man concern. Just no food I eat.
Quick and fast. Roll it up and throw it in a pot, you know. Come in.
From your 15 at the food, me bringing bread. No care, small it is, we happy, that's the mood we giving. From your 15 at the food, me bringing bread. No care, small it is, we happy, that's the mood we giving. From your 15 at the food, me bringing bread. No care, small it is, we happy, that's the mood we giving. No one more.
Catch a fire. Natural campfire. You think ramp? Yeah, man. Wireless set alive. Wireless set alive. So you know what you whole heap of water and there's so to are going. Wireless set alive. Yeah. Cut up some more.
Thanks every day, so me get a way out. Thanks every day, so me get a way out. Thanks every day, so me get a way out. Two go on your thing, jam me never yet down. Give two go on your thing, jam me never yet down. Give two go on your thing, jam me never yet down. Give.
Final product, people. See it look rich and nice like a cow skin. Yeah, man. Final product. Yes. See rice there? Water bubble. Butter melt and everything. So we there our pan. Neat. Yeah, people, I will serve for it to reach. See that? Let us see how the meat look now, people. Eat this now, people. Ready up. Yeah, man. Ready up. Yeah, bad chef, you know. See final product, yeah. Yeah. No joke.
Big food, they get a chime, stop who? Stop what? Big food, they get a chime, stop who? Stop what? Big food, they get a chime, stop who? Stop what? Big food, they get a chime, stop who? Stop what? Big food, they get a chime, stop who? Stop what? Big food, they get a chime, stop who? Stop what? Big food, they get a chime, stop who? Stop what? Big food, they get a